किसान पुत्र गया बिहार। पढ़ा लिखा किसान खुदा बराबर, पढ़ा लिखा किसान खुदा बराबर। हलदर किसान, एम्बिशियस किसान पुत्र ऑफ इंडिया, प्राइम मिनिस्टर, चीफ मिनिस्टर, enlivening and envisioning. However, चाहे कोई मुझे जंगली कहे, कहता रहे, मैं हूँ गवार सबसे अच्छा। समी कपूर सबसे अच्छा। चाहे कोई मुझे जंगली कहे, चाहे कोई मुझे गवार कहे, मैं हूँ गवार सबसे अच्छा। So, dear students, be resident Indian. Be resident Indian and ambitious Kishan Putra. Charan Singh, Chief Minister of UP, Prime Minister of India, Kishan Putra, Delhi, Sakshi Verma, Chief Minister of Delhi, Kishan Putra, Nitish Kumar, Chief Minister of Bihar. So, be ambitious Kisan Putra of India. Don't be NRI, non-resident Indian. Not fly to USA, not fly to Australia, not fly to New Zealand, not fly to Canada. Fly to Australia to the Prime Minister of Australia, fly to New Zealand to the Prime Minister of New Zealand, fly to Canada to the Prime Minister of India. So, I am unlearning you. I am Haldar. पढ़ा लिखा किसान खुदा पर। As Nitish Sir, Chief Minister of Bihar, had declared his successor, a brilliant and intelligent man, Prashant Kishore, his successor. So, Haldar, ambition to be administrator, diplomat, to be police officer, half failed, half passed. Already, then I had a testimonial, PhD testimonial of a great teacher, and with that I was moving in Delhi, roaming here and there, and I enrolled myself in PhD studies in Haryana, Cambridge University, Southern land, and I had a chance. I had been knowing him for a long time, a great man, Delhi University librarian, leader. I started meeting him because I was introduced as a family member of, because I am a family member of India. I had been a private tutor in Delhi to earn my, to feed my stomach. And always teaching very high profile man, rich man, not poor man, not poor man, always Haldiram Gujrawala, always officer's son. So I was brilliant teaching because they had all ambition to be English spoken man. So all were paying me well and all. So I had also ambition to be a pilot, and I was introduced. I had joined also playing time with my students, and I also met in my home tutor's house where I was teaching. He had also ambition to be a pilot, but he failed to be a pilot. He was a great man. He was also a Kisan. So he struggled and fought, but lost because he said, जंगल में किसान से मत लड़ना और बाजार में बनिया से मत लड़ना. And that Kisan Putra, a great friend of mine, always fought with the Banyas in Delhi, but lost. And I had told with this channel the day Kishan Putra, Sakshi Verma, was dropped to chief ministership, he became lost.
Okay.
And the day Arvind Kejriwal had dropped Kishan Putra, Gehlot, he was lost. So, Delhi's Kishan Putra will be chief minister of Delhi, and Bihar Kisan Putra will be chief minister of Bihar, and Haryana Kisan Putra will be chief minister of Haryana in 2030. I wish all the best to Kisan Putra. Be ambitious, have high ambition. थोड़ा बोलिए ना जी।